What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Fishing with Poppy. All my yak trappers, I'm about to go through a Karls Bait and Tackle review. Well, unboxing. I'll review it when I'm on the water. Now, I bought these. Ain't no favoritism. Ain't no slick stuff going on. I'm gonna give you my honest review, and I'm gonna let y'all check it out. So, check it out. Well, all right, y'all. Let's get right into it. This is the Karls Bait and Tackle. Amazing outdoor items with amazing savings. I know I missed that word up. Alright. I like the boxes that come in. So we're going to start out with the Guggen Mondo Worm 10-inch. Looks pretty good. Next is the Yum. This is Texas, so these little critters work wonders. Anything that looks like a lizard works in Texas. Biospawn. Now I just got up on these dudes. I've been checking out some of their hard baits. Another Slim Shake worm. Nice. Cutting points by owner. Offset worm hook. Nice. Sticker. That might make it to the kayak, Karls. That might make it. Another oog hook. And lifted jigs. Peg stops. I really don't use pegs, but I'll take it. Bullet weights. And some more laser tungstens, worm weights. Good deal. Good deal. Overall, good deal. Now, let's move over to the hard baits. Karls. Alright. Yozuri. Nice little jerk. Guggen. Oh, I like these colors. Nice little jerk. It's the Guggen Squad Scout. Next up, Reaction Strike. These look like one of them little Walmart busting brakes. You might need like 5 of these, you know. DD Baits. I'm not familiar, but I will definitely throw this color. Jerk the shit out that hole. Amazing Baits. Karls. This is Karls brands. The Hutch. I like all these colors. Amazing Baits. The Hutch. Pretty good. I like all these colors. A little underwhelmed, but you know, good deal. Good deal. I guess the Guggen makes up for it. I don't know what this is. Anybody familiar? Drop a comment if you're familiar with these reaction strikes. But yeah, a little underwhelmed with the jerkbait selection, but pretty good. And there you have it, the unboxing. I'll show y'all the application when I hit the water. Thank y'all for tuning in. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Y'all know what to do.